Hey guys, it's Miss Dodd. So today we're going to talk a little bit about why there are so many cities near the ocean and other bodies of water such as lakes and rivers. So in case you've ever wondered about that, you will know the answer by the end of this video. So the title of this video, Settlement Near Water. Why is New Orleans on the Mississippi River? All right. So let's take a look at this map first. Always when you look at a map, you're going to read the title, European Settlements by 1742. And what were the European settlements? Go down to the legend here. British settlements are black, French are gray, and then Spanish are it's really hard to see, they're like honeycomb kind of. So here are the British settlements. As you can see, most of the white dots are along the seaboard, the coast. And then I want you to look at, most importantly here, the French in the gray. Coming down the St. Lawrence River, they explored in 1642. That's when Montreal was founded. And then here they came through the Great Lakes and then down the Mississippi River. All the way down. And keep in mind the Mississippi flows from north to south and empties out in the Gulf right here. Okay, so why do you think that is? So turn to page 3 of your interactive notebook and title this Settlement Patterns. And then write the focus question, why is New Orleans on the Mississippi River? So I want you to write this. People settled around bodies of water for 4 main reasons. Transportation is the main reason. The Mississippi River used to be like a giant highway. If you look at this map again, imagine you're in 1742 and you're French. You don't have cars. There's no highways. There's no trees. There's trees, but there's no, the trees haven't been cleared. So what are you going to do? You're going to get in a boat and go down the rivers because it's the easiest thing to do. Here's a picture, for example, of the steamboat Natchez. We're going to talk more about steamboats later on this year, but for a long time, this was the #1 mode of transportation in America, was in rivers and by boat. Before the railroad was built and before highways were built. Okay, now copy down trade. Ships can transport goods. Again, we're back to our steamboat. So the French were known for being traders, and they would trade with Indians all up and down the Mississippi River. And a lot of them were fur trappers, so they would kill animals and do trade for their furs. Okay, the next reason is fertile ground. Rivers flood, leaving soil rich for planting. If you look back at this map, this whole area in the Mississippi River Valley floods. And the soil there is very, very rich, and it's good for planting and harvesting. So people would have a way to have food. Finally, security. You can sail away if attacked. All right, and those are the 4 reasons. What I want you to do now, on page 2, draw a couple illustrations of the main reasons to help you remember. Here are some examples. Okay. Now what I want you to do, on the bottom of page 2, it should be blank, and let's look for a second at this image. I need to just switch the tab here. Okay, let's take a look at this image. This is a map of Louisiana, and it's divided into regions. Now, this is an example of human geography because we have humans have carved up these different regions. Just another way to understand who settled where in Louisiana. Now, the three main regions I want you to notice is this New Orleans region, Acadiana, which is called Southern Louisiana, and then Northern Louisiana up here at the very north. That's in brown. So what I would like you to do, I'm going to provide a link to a website. I would like you to choose one of the three regions that are detailed on the website, either Northern Louisiana, Southern Louisiana, or Greater New Orleans. And on the bottom of page 2, I would like you to try and see if it says who settled there and why. So take a couple notes, and we will circle back later on. All right, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.